So I first tried to detangle her hair, and to do that I used this Cantu detangling milk, and then I just sprayed that all over the hair. This is optional, you can either use some water, but I like to use this. So after making sure the whole hair is wet, I just try to work through the detangling milk and start like to detangle her hair using this comb. It's a wide tooth comb suitable for her hair, so I just go through that with the comb. You have to make sure you're gentle because there's scalp is so soft and tender and you don't want to pull your baby's hair. Next, I added a generous amount of the Cantu leave-in conditioner for kids, and I'm just gonna put a generous amount of that on her hair, work it through, and then yeah, just making sure it's getting in the hair. Then I used some coconut oil, which I got over the counter. Her hair loves it, like it makes it so soft. So a quick tip is to make sure your baby is full, like she's not hungry or she's not sleepy or anything like that she's gonna get grumpy. So you want to make sure you feed them, they're happy, you know, that moment. So that's when you decide like to do the hair. Like at this moment I had fed her, she was in a good mood. So I picked up these rubber bands. They're not the black rubber bands, but they're those soft ones that are easy like to use them on the hair. And I just sectioned the hair into like a small section and made a tiny puff out of the hair. I think at this point she was deciding whether she should cry or she should be annoyed or not, but then she was just calm and just enjoying her play-doh. And later on I gave her like some cartoon, but she was really in a good mood and I was so proud of her. So the back of her hair gets a little bit difficult like to work with because the hair is a little bit shorter and doesn't have much hair like on the back, because that's where she sleeps on. So I just try to be gentle and put a lot of product on there so that you'll be able to pull the hair like in the right way. This hairstyle is only, in my opinion, for this particular day, because it doesn't last that long, because she ends up like pulling something, you know what I'm saying? So it doesn't last long. So this is not a protective style that you would want if you want like the baby to have the hairstyle for a long time. Make sure you have a lot of cartoons, you have a lot of baby sharks in there, you have a lot of cocomelon in there, so that you keep them occupied, so that they don't pay attention to what you're doing, because they really get annoyed. Kids easily get annoyed. So make sure you have a cartoon or something that your baby likes, the favorite toy or the favorite book or whatever your baby likes. And also, most of the time you're not gonna make straight lines, because either the baby is moving the other way or moving the other way. So don't worry about the lines. Like in my case, I didn't worry about if they're straight lines. It was just okay for this particular day. So I added in some accessories which I got, and I just chose these two peach light pink color, and just put them on the front. She likes Minnie Mouse, so I just put them on the front so that she looks like Minnie. So yeah, that's the brother in the back, just checking out what we're doing. Oh, and I forgot to mention that you can add like 2 rubber bands, because they pop sometimes, if you want like the hairstyle to last a little bit longer. So this is the final look. Check her out. She looks so cute, and I just love that she was so quiet and just let me do my thing on her hair. Yeah, this is a simple hairstyle for your baby. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know if you want more of Amy in the videos, and I'll just try to put her in there somewhere. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you thumbs up the video, comment down below, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.